Hey there, it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm super excited to share with you. There is a new scrapbook magnetic glass craft mat. I do not currently have it to show you. However, I will have it soon and I will be sure to feature it on my channel. We are having a 20% off discount. This is good November 18th and November 19th of 2025. So check the description box for the discount code. The discount, when you click on that link, it'll automatically come off at checkout. So this new craft mat is magnetic, just like the other one. So you get that great magnet ability to hold your items in place. But this one was specifically made with scrapbookers in mind. But mind you, anyone that likes to craft would enjoy this mat. It is set up so you could put two 12 by 12 scrapbook pages on it. So the size of the glass mat is 14 by 26 and it has a 12 by 24 inch scrapbook grid. It has photo, border, greeting card markings. So all the markings you would need no matter what project you're working on, even a junk journal. This is great because you could hold your journal in place with the magnets to keep it from moving around. It's the same smooth, scratch-resistant, heat-safe, tempered glass as the other ones, so it's super easy to clean. And you've seen me use this in many videos. This is, to me, a game changer in the craft room. I would not like to craft without this because I don't worry about paints or sprays, glues, anything like that. And I love that you can magnetize things down to kind of keep your hands out of it, if you're gluing things, to hold things in place. So check out the description box. Again, this discount code is good for the 18th and 19th. They also have the craft catchers that I've featured on my channel before. They have the mag inks where it'll hold your ink in place. So if you're ink blending, they will magnetize to your glass board. And this is such an amazing product. Check it out. Check out the description box. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and look for an upcoming video of me showing you this in a little bit greater detail because this is amazing to have. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day and enjoy the discount.